Okay, be quiet. No one wants to hear from you.
Yeah, put that in the video.
All right. 2006 Jeep Liberty P0302 cylinder 2 Misfire. 23-year-old neglectful owner.
Oh, great.
Here, you hold this. Watch what I do. Don't look at it. Gotta get this out of the way. Cylinder 2 is the first one on the bank furthest back. So that'd be the passenger side front cylinder, cylinder 2. That out of the way. That off. That out of the way. Down here. Myself, 10mm. I forgot. Pause. Camera or not? You watching? Okay, coil right here is cylinder number 2. Are you getting that? That's the front one. Passenger side. 10mm nut. Holding that coil on. Lose it. Coils out. Don't see any carbon arcs. This Jeep's got almost 260,000 miles. That's some kind of record for a Jeep.
Because I'm such a good driver.
Nope. Spark plug is a 16mm, 4 5/8. Pause, forgot my magnet. Alright, magnet down, and I grabbed the spark plug. Woo! Look at that.
You're too close to it. Back up.
You see this part?
Yeah.
She gone.
Is that bad?
Yep, that's bad. I'm sure it's supposed to look like. See it? Tightening them down, you can feel that gasket crush, that new one. You don't want to go too much, you'll strip them or break them off. Just do it like that. New coil. Old coil go. Looks the same. Plug this in. Time. That'd be 500 bucks.
It's not even funny.